I'm moving like a cat. What the? I just took a piece of his stuff. I had that card.
How do you open this?
Okay.
Yo, man.
Any decade now.
There you go. Good, you gonna start?
So first things first, we start off with a Swallow. Alrighty, then we got a Pinsir. Then we got a Wiglet. Then we got a Gligar.
Yup.
Then we got, a Crocodile. Wait, what was that called? Oh, Crocolar.
The Technical Machine Evolution.
Vanillite.
Swablu.
Let me get it.
Oh
yeah. No touch.
A power.
And then we got Green Energy.
You got one, too. You got like 3 good ones.
Alright, bet. I got an Iron Bundle. His Star Stream. Farfetch.
Thorn.
I got an Onyx, outside hollow, another outside hollow, Zubat, and
Fire Energy,
and I got a hollow Zatsu, a Zublet, I got a Chimichar. Oh no!
The Gimme Gold done it.
In the last,
You should have kept it sealed.
Yeah.